How to insert video in Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then open Google Slides first. You cannot directly add video in Google Docs, so you will have to use another approach. So to do so, go to Google Slides and then go to Insert. Here you will see the option of video. Now simply add a video, insert it like this. After it is added, simply copy it. Now go to
How
Google
to create a group chat on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without
and go to Google Docs. After that, go to Insert. Now go to Drawing, tap on New, and now paste it over here. Then save and close. Now your video is added. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you got it. Comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.